What's up guys, in this video I want to be showing you how to integrate AI into your workflow. We're going to be going off 4 tiers for your respective skill level, and we're going to be balancing learning and productivity to get the best of both worlds. Alright, for the first stage we have a beginner, which is complete newbie to coding. You have no skill level or very little. You should not use AI at all. Using AI at this stage is going to screw up your learning. It's going to mess up the foundation for your skills in development and coding. At this stage, you just want to learn the hard way and struggle. The only exception is if you're using it for very general guidance, like what language should I learn? Or what tools should I use? Should I use Visual Studio Code or Notepad, for example? Just some weird example. That's the only reason I would use it, but really try not to use AI as a complete beginner. It's going to hinder your learning when you're starting off. You need a foundation to build off. You want to learn that yourself. Okay, for junior dev, you can start to integrate AI into your workflow just a bit. I think you should start to integrate AI naturally because it is going to be the future and it's a great tool to have. So this is a great stage to kind of get it to start writing boilerplate for you or stuff that you were going to write out anyway and you can just use it to save time. And this is the stage when you want to start using AI to start teaching you. So for example, if you write some sort of program, you can give it to the AI model you're using and say, how would you write this as a senior dev? How would you improve this? What are some things I'm missing in this? Obviously, do not accept any code rewrites. It's going to try every now and then to just write the entire code for you because you might be a junior dev, you might be writing something new, and it's going to look at it and say, no, this is wrong. Don't let it do that. Write your code and just ask it for general improvements and go from there. You should have full control over the project. You should always know what every line in your project is doing as a junior developer. And one more thing for junior devs, only accept one concept at a time that is new. Since you're a junior dev, and AI is going to look at it from like a senior developer plus position, and it's going to say, okay, you need to do this, and that. You need to change this and that. That's going to overload you. You just want to get one concept and stick with that and ask it to really elaborate on that one concept and learn that. So for like each snippet of code you write or each project, just focus on one learning thing to focus on, and that will improve your overall skill. Okay, for mid-level dev, you can start to really integrate AI. One of the best things you can do at this stage is turn on Copilot or some sort of IntelliSense that uses AI. I think this is the best way to get the best of both worlds. If you try to have it write your entire code base for you by vibe coding, you're still not going to learn. You're not at the level you can get it to do that yet. But if you have like IntelliSense, you still have some sort of part in the flow of logic in the code and just completing it for the syntax and stuff like that. So I think that's a great balance to have. You should know what you're roughly looking for when you write stuff with AI and try to integrate it. And this is only for vibe coding specifically, but you should still have an idea of what it's writing. Now, in terms of learning, as a mid-level developer with AI, you should still be asking it to review code, but your focus should be on security, edge cases, and long-term vision. These are the concepts that are going to get you to senior level developer, so these are the ones to focus on and ask it to help you improve on. And the last thing for mid-level is that it's completely fine to use it for debugging at this stage. Obviously know what it's fixing, but this is a great time to just let it kind of find bugs for you and help you identify what could have gone wrong. It's just a great time saver overall to get the best of both worlds. For senior developers, and I put a plus there because, senior isn't the highest level. It can go like into archetype and stuff. But at this stage, you're smart enough and you're well-versed in coding to make your own conclusion on if you want to use AI or not. Some developers will shun it. Some will build entire workflows around it. It is entirely up to you. As you, a senior developer, you can make your own decision based on your own experience. I have some examples here of how some senior devs might use AI. For example, they might use it to eliminate boilerplate. They might use it for code reviews, but never to actually write any code. Or they might use it like a junior dev that they don't fully trust. You can use it however you want. You're at the level where you can make your own informed decision. I will say, wherever you fall on this ladder, don't do it alone. I have a Discord you guys can join. It's a dev community that I set up. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in the next video.